What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of the Rice Rocketeer. Thanks for tuning in. Today is the second beautiful day of 2026. They're far and few in between. We don't get any of these anymore, and I also don't get a lot of seat time, so I'm taking this opportunity to take the triple out. I got myself a haircut, got myself an amazing breakfast at my new favorite place, Carly's Bagels, which is in Queens. That's why we're starting in Queens. This is now my go-to. It's out of the way, but I come out here maybe like twice a week to get a bagel. Can't speak highly enough of it. They actually won. They won second runner-up in this year's Bagel Fest, which is awesome because they've been around for like I think a year. I think they're just hitting a year. So awesome bagels. Definitely check them out. Let's get on the bike. This is going to be a street triple highway ride. Nothing crazy, nothing fancy, but just beautiful day. And got to stretch the bike out. Got to stretch the bike out. So let's go. Guys, and we're out. We are out, guys. It's a beautiful day out. Let's get it.
time off. I don't know, I should have just stayed on. This is going to be super boring, so I'm going to jump back on and I guess split the rest of the way.
Alright guys, that's the wrap for today. I have been to a mall in absolutely forever. I'm here to buy something particular, which I'm not going to talk about on this vlog, but maybe I'll cover it in the future. I have tried changing around the settings. I took rocksteady off, so I don't even know. Maybe some of this footage came out so shaky it's unusable. I don't know. But hopefully we got something good. I'm going to film my ride back as part 2 and just kind of, you know, again, I don't get to ride too much, so I got to space these videos out. Anyway, thanks for joining, guys. It's good to be back, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.